How's it going, guys? Just a quick video showing something very interesting. So this customer here, she had a problem on her brake pads were worn out, and I didn't have any brake pads in hand, of course. I'm not an auto parts store. This is a 2008 Toyota Yaris. There. And something really interesting happened. I just thought I'd try it, and sometimes from other cars you keep some of the brake pads. Sometimes they only wear out on one side, not on the other side. So I had an extra brake pad from a 2009 Chevy Outlander. And guess what? They actually match. So I actually used brake pads from this car, the Chevy Outlander, on the Yaris there. So as you can see, here's the brake pad. Here's another brake pad, but I actually just put a new one in there. But I just thought this was really interesting. Maybe this could help somebody. So she's all set and ready to go.